out and like just taking in the message. How do you suggest we go with processing the whole show?
Hello, thank you. Yung dula kasi namin, yung necropolis, as what Marco and Seymour have said, it's really this exploration of a city that we know and we don't know. So it's really, in terms of how to go out after watching the show, it's really what Guelan said during our conversations. It's a call to imagine. Really imagining futures, imagining pasts, and imagining how a city is built, how a city can even be built more, because ang mensahe hindi may mensahe, ang gusto talaga namin iparating sa dula ay the city is made up of people, and it's on the people to, it's a call for the people to imagine.